We have here the Lorex smart sensors open. This one here, the motion sensor, or this one here, the door sensor. They're easy to open. You just get them close up there, and then you see there's like this little area where you can fit a good size screwdriver in there, and you just twist, and it opens. And go in there with your fingernail. Oh, there it is. So you see, and there's this little battery in there. You can push it out with your screwdriver. Here. See that? Push it out. And then, this is the door sensor. The door sensor needs this kind of battery, the CR1632. You order on Amazon or in the link below. Get a new one here. Make sure that the positive here, positive is on top. It goes in here, all the way in. Then you need the cap. Oops. You see here this little nose that goes into there. There you go, and your sensor is ready again to detect. Yeah, and it goes by the magnet. You see the LED on. Look at that. The other sensor here, this one, the remote sensor, needs a much bigger battery, a CR2450. And today, for the first time, we are trying those here. The 2450 lithium-ion rechargeable battery. Okay, lithium-ion batteries are rechargeable. Let's take it out of here and see if this thing is going to work with it. It has a little higher voltage. There it is. I don't see the light on, but you will see. I think it goes in here like this. The arrow points always to the Lorex symbol. And then this one is going to work again. Use your phone to check if they are back online. And don't forget, next time, do not discard it in here if it's a rechargeable battery. Those, I think you can also buy rechargeable if it's worth your time and money. Lasted 1.5 years in my case.